Namaste. In the previous episode, we saw that Arjun had a change of heart and he did not want to fight the war anymore. Analyzing the possible consequences of fighting the war, Arjun said that he did not want victory, the kingdom, or luxuries. He did not want any of it at the cost of killing his own people. But what would be the consequences if Arjun chose to step back from the war at that point in time? To find out Arjun's thoughts on that, we will now read verses 34 and 35. Acharyav pitarav putras tathaiva cha pitamahaha matulashvashurav pautraha shala sambandhinastatha etana hantumichhami gnatopi madhusudana api trailokya rajyasya hetoh kim nu mahi krite. Here, Arjun calls out a list of loved ones like teachers, uncles, in-laws, etc., who he saw standing in front of him across the enemy lines. Arjun had already made it clear that his loved ones were more important to him than material wealth and prosperity. While Arjun seemed to have his priorities set, he was also well aware that even if he did not fight his relatives, they might still kill him. Duryodhan had tried to kill the Pandavas several times since childhood, and now when an opportunity had finally come, there was no way he would step back. Arjun knew that the consequence of not fighting the war would be death, and yet he was willing to accept that as his fate and die. That's why he tells Bhagwan in clear words that even if they are going to kill me, I do not wish to kill these people. To strengthen his argument further, Arjun said that even if he was made the ruler of the three worlds or planes of existence, he would still not fight. So the question of fighting for a piece of land was out of question. The point he tried to make was that no matter what he was offered, be it power, wealth or anything else, nothing could convince him to fight the war. Once again, the seemingly logical justifications given by Arjun were irrational. We all know that if a commander makes a wrong move on the battlefield, the entire battalion pays the price for it. Remember, Arjun was not an ordinary soldier. Holding the rank of the chief leader, he had the responsibility to lead his army, and being the best archer, he was crucial for their victory. So if he chose to die without a fight, he would let down his own men and openly invite their death as well. But Arjun was so attached to his people that he could not see these facts. As a result, Arjun was not only ready to face death, the worst possible outcome, but he was also willing to give up on victory and kingdom, which is the best that he could get out of it. With this, we have seen how Arjun prefers to die rather than fight the war. But usually, all living beings have a survival instinct and do everything they can to save their lives. So why does Arjun want to die? We will see in the next episode. Thank you.